Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have a special delicious review, and it's going to be the Costco Kirkland signature seasoned chicken wings. I haven't had these in many years. Back in the day they were actually cooked when you bought them, so you just have to bring them home and warm them up. Nowadays they are raw, more expensive, but listen, it's packed. It's packed with drummies and wings, and we are going to put them in the air fryer. First time that I've made fresh wings, uncooked wings, in the air fryer. So we're going to see how that goes. I think I got to put them in for about 20 minutes. Oh wow, they smell really good. Take a look at this. Slow motion. Beautiful. So, when I get back, we're going to put some of these babies in the air fryer and see how they turn out. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the air fryer so they don't stick, and I expect them to take, as I said, about 20 to 25 minutes. So, see you back in a bit. All right, we're back with our Insignia 5-quart air fryer. Let's take it out. Spray a bit of this oil just so it doesn't, this is just about empty. It didn't really spray too much, but anyway, it's all good. Now, let's take some of these babies. Oh my God. Beautiful. I'm gonna be able to put quite a few in here, I think. Oh, it's looking messy. Put a drummy in there. My son is dying to try his first drummy, and I will not deny him. Get a lot of chicken in here for the price. That's why it's a bit pricey, but I'm not going to put too many. Let's get this little one over here. He looks like he's hiding. This one. This one was hiding. Look at this. The light is, oh, here we go. Look at the spices on this. Costco food is very good. It's pretty close to home cooking as you can get. All right, let's start with this. I'm gonna put her in. My fingers are so dirty. Let's start it. Let's put it at 375. Let's put it for 20 minutes, and we'll check back in about 10. All right. Start her up, and you hear the magic. Okay, we'll see you guys in 10 minutes. All right, it's been 8 minutes. I'm curious, so I want to take a look. Ooh, looking great. They didn't stick to the pan at all, even though I didn't have hardly any spray in there, but I did buy a new one. So it's only been 8 minutes. I'm going to put them back in and probably check the temp in another 2-3 minutes just to see where we're at, because you don't want to eat undercooked chicken. Definitely not. All right, see you guys in a little bit. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. We're just gonna, oh my God.
That was good.
Let's just check one of the drummies and see what it's at. Should be at 165.
Get out of here.
It's only been 10 minutes and they're done already? Try another drummy. Try the one in the corner there.
Go down here.
Yeah. I mean, they look done.
They look done. They look delicious. And they smell. Oh my God.
Yeah, I wish you guys had smell-o-vision. That one right there. Stick it. Stab it.
That one in. Yeah, they're done. How long?
10 minutes.
10 minutes, people.
Okay, this says chicken should be 18 to 22 minutes.
Oh, the drummings are different.
Well, you want to take one out and just rip it apart and see?
Okay. Let's do this.
Because then we got more to cook. 'Cause obviously this is not going to be enough for a family of 3.
Alright. So I get to eat it now?
Yeah.
The drummy though?
Yeah. Yeah, I would just take it and it's crispy. You hear
Oh
it?
yeah. Oh yeah.
I would rip it apart. Let me get a good view of it here.
Jesus, it is hot.
Well, you can get a knife, you know.
Find. Oh, juicy.
Juicy.
Yeah, it's done. No red.
Done in 10 minutes.
10 minutes, people. People. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
It's hot. Oh my gosh.
Flats
so
are going to be
good.
for me. What?
Oh my gosh, so good. I hate chicken wings.
Let's see it.
And these are,
It is white.
oh my god, delicious. Now I'm sure you've stated that they're like $25 at Costco.
Yes, I stated that the price went up, and when we bought them the last time, they were cooked. Everything has changed, but the taste
Oh
hasn't.
my god, it's
They're
so
still
good.
So, okay,
Guys.
so it took 10 minutes. I might put them back in for another minute or two just to be sure, but for all purposes, the wife has eaten it, and the meat is white. It's done.
Oh my god, so
And the
juicy.
temperature said it was at 173, so they are cooked. So, guys, go ahead and spoil yourselves. Get some chicken wings over at Costco.
10 on 10, guys. 10 on 10.
I can't wait to bust into these. Oh, the flats. Those are my favorites.
So good.
And yeah, like and subscribe. Take care. See you guys next time.